Yeah, that's a pretty scary scene. We're having a meet on the side of the highway. So we just made it home. If you thought things could not get worse, I'm trying to remain positive right now, but check this out. Being in the highway sucks. Getting pulled over sucks. Nick's gonna be here in a little bit though, so he's gonna save the day. Wanna know what I'm doing? I got a flat tire on the I-75 right now. Do you need help? Someone's gonna come help me. Well, I'm pretty sure we got a flat tire in the middle of the highway right now. Hopefully get some air. It's kinda not, so... It's gonna be weird, just did that. Repeat that again? Yeah, I heard it. Have a tire here right there? I think I have my spare tire, but I don't think I have a jack here. I'm right before 111, I believe. I'm not even... It says Naples next 3 exits. I'm right before the sign that says Naples next 3 exits. Okay, let me go on maps and then send you. Okay. Vernie, why, dude? I was talking on the phone with Christabel, and then I hear the car going ba 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 ba. And I'm like, that's not normal. And here we are. Do you guys know any like stuck in the highway games? Like, do you look at the license plate of the cars? I'm scared. I'm gonna go all the way back here. I'm not even kidding. Like, I want to be far apart from that car. Oh, what the? Look at that truck. Yeah, that's a pretty scary scene. Dude, this is the second time this ever happens, and it's never fun. It was such a happy, fun video, and then this had to happen. I just found a random bottle in the middle of nowhere on the I-75, the highway. Like, someone was here in this very spot. I don't feel that bad anymore. Hey, yo, we gotta turn a bad, sad topic into a, not fun, but... Yo, it's so scary standing near the... If this ever happens to any of you, just stay far away from your car, because someone can be distracted by how good Brittany looks, and that could be the end of everything, so... Alright, y'all, this is day 4. I've been out here for literally 4 days. Nick never came. He told me he was gonna. He never came. I don't know what to do. There's a truck. Can you guys help me? Help! No. Okay, everybody's just passing by like they can't see me. Things are getting bad. There's ants? No! Not again. Not part 2. Not part 2. Oh, shoot. Someone came. Who's here? The random car came. Who's that? Yeah! What's that? I got a flat tire.
I'm dead.
Yeah.
I passed. I was like,
oh, that was you with the beaver? Some beaver just did that. Yeah, I'm waiting for someone right now.
I was like, la
oh, thank you, bro. Thank you. Yeah, I got a flat tire. Someone's gonna come though with some tools. Wait, do you have tools? Not on me. Nice.
You know I normally got tools on.
I know, right? This time. Yeah, that's what happened. Then I was driving and I smell like a smoking tire, and my car's going ba 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 ba. Yeah. And I'm like, You
got a spare?
I have a spare, yeah. I have a spare.
Broke down on the side of the road right next to me.
Did someone else break down? Why is this here? Who's that? Oh, your girlfriend? Everybody's like showing up on the side of the highway. We're having a meet on the side of the highway. Why is there someone just randomly pulled over?
He's looking for somebody on the side of the road.
Oh, you're looking for someone on the side of the road? No, it's not us, yeah. That's funny. Alright, we're gonna put on a show for the people on the highway. There's one that's called, oh, that was cool. There's one that's called Heartbeat. I can't find it. And this is popcorn.
There's some kid that made them, no?
Yeah.
That's fucking badass. Good for you guys' car.
Yeah.
I don't say shit.
Oh, it's this orbit, so it goes around and it comes from the bottom. Wait for it. Alright, Nick should be here in 30 seconds. Imagine having no lights. I'll be way over there in the freaking woods. Oh, is that him? That's him. Nick. It's funny how this, I just sold my G and there's a G that's gonna rescue us. Oh, he was the beamer that went by.
Yeah, I was like, hey, I know that guy.
Yeah.
It's loud. I feel like this is recording. Hey, is this recording?
It is.
Alright guys, I'm stealing his camera.
Alright.
almost past it. It's very flat. Yeah, it's very flat.
Yeah. Is it? Is it flat?
Yeah, it's flat.
It's flat?
Yeah.
Might be good. Whoa, look at that.
Good, look under.
Like a glove.
I got it. We slid it right now. It's like, oh, dude.
Is it that low on oil?
Yeah.
Things have spares.
Bro, these things got...
My fancy car doesn't have spares. We're doing a tutorial on how to take out your spare tire. Just haphazardly cover everything up. And use brute strength.
I broke everything, but I don't care.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, they match!
Awesome. Anybody seen Christmas Story? Drops the lug nut on the side of the highway. It says fudge, but it doesn't say fudge. You get in trouble. Yeah, those are like ARPs, aren't they?
Oh yeah, that's no
Same
bueno.
thing that happened to me. That camber life, yo.
Oh, dang!
It looks like it just ate it from being
I
flat.
think it just needed air and then just...
Ate itself, yeah.
Yeah.
Thick tires.
Right?
Boy, 305s. Yeah.
I need new tire. Wait, should I just get one tire or two?
I just get one tire.
You just get one?
You're probably right.
You should be good with one.
So I'm probably gonna call. Dang, that's bad. That's what happens when you don't put a tire.
Tires need air.
Do they actually?
Yeah.
I thought they needed water. That's
No, that's what wings take.
If any of you need roadside service, Nick will fly out to wherever you live.
He rips the e-brake every time. He rips the e-brake every time.
I was telling them if they need roadside service, you will actually fly out.
I will skirt in and fly out and skirt in.
People don't actually know, but see how it says 3.5 tons? That's how much it weighs.
Big F. Thank you.
Alright, let me...
Yeah, roll it up.
I'm sorry for the wobbly camera. You just unplugging modules back there? Strong man.
Oh my, no, it doesn't even... Should I just put it in my front seat? I'm just gonna put it in my...
Look at this mess. Life of a YouTuber.
Look at that, bro.
Hey!
It's hot.
It's got good fitment in there. Hey, we should start a GoFundMe.
Huh?
We should start a GoFundMe.
I should, right?
Yeah, no front bumper, missing a rim.
Yo, it's looking bad right now.
Forward. Yeah, but don't stop.
Alright. You good?
Yeah, you're good.
Dude, it wasn't recording this whole time. I'm just kidding.
Listen, I don't know how cameras work. Alright, well, make it home.
Peace out, bro. Yeah, you too. Peace out. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate you. You're the best. I love you.
Go subscribe, I'm not gonna upload.
That was the first time I've ever gotten a flat. Thankfully, I have amazing friends, man. I am truly... Oh, let's get home safe. Let's get home safe. That's a priority. I'll show you. I'll tell you guys when I'm home. I know your pain. I know your pain. So we just made it home, and you're probably like, oh, he's probably pretty happy. He made it home safe. If you thought things could not get worse, I'm trying to remain positive right now, but check this out. What's good, guys? Actually, I really want to show you guys something. Check this out. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. It's probably the best thing that's happened in this video. What's good, guys? I actually almost forgot to come back to this video and kind of show you guys what happened to the 370 and why. It's basically this story. Not much talking. I'll be right back. I'm gonna show you something that's gonna break a lot of hearts. If you thought everything pretty much ended with me on the side of the highway because one of my tires blew, thankfully the rim wasn't damaged. I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit, but this is all I'm gonna show you. How can I put it this way? Quick, if you guys don't remember, actually almost about a year ago, I got custom taillights made with my name engraved on them, with a Britney name engraved. Oh, this is worse than I thought. Oh my god. 1 of 1 Danny Z / Britney taillights. They're broken. absolutely just broken. No. It was nighttime. I was coming back from that high adrenaline. Had to change the tire in the middle of the highway. So I was super happy. I basically parked the car forward where I normally do. Everything's good, but I'm like, wait, let me park backwards so I can then take out the tire and just put everything inside the garage for easier. So then as you guys saw, I rolled back and then I turned the car around. Grass, nature just hates me. Nature just hates me. Instead of me coming this way where I should be, the car's also a little lower and I didn't remember. So instead of me backing up here, I accidentally backed up into my neighbor's lawn. This stupid freaking lawn. And the car's super low. The rear bumper just crumbled. And yeah, I've literally destroyed my front bumper, my rear bumper, and my one-off very expensive tail lights because of the car being too low in grass. I can't. Here is the damage of the tail light. The plastic goes here, and as I was filming this video, as you guys saw my reaction, I noticed there's water inside the tail light. Well, because there's a huge crack on this one. I thought only one of them was broken. Both of them are. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna somehow try to salvage this, man, because maybe like glue it together, right? That. I don't know. I don't know at this point. And yeah, I mean, look at the rear bumper. Rear bumper is done. Tail lights are done. Okay though, why do the spare tires look kind of good? Like I would rock this in like a little Civic or something. It doesn't look bad. Look at this fitment though, dude. Where are the on bags, bro? Thousands of dollars of damages in a matter of a month. Just me, myself, and my driveway. I'm an idiot. I'm an absolute idiot. With that being said, I'm gonna end off today's video. It's not a happy one. So yeah, this car's gonna get a whole new rear bumper, a whole new front bumper, whole new side skirts. I shall break the news to you guys. I wanted to do something and I don't think it's gonna be possible because how long I would have to wait now that this bumper's broken, and we're gonna do something really cool with the wing. I'm just gonna tell you guys all about that in another video. Thank you all so much for watching this very weird, insane, very bad luck video. I hope your days are going better. Smash that like to make me feel a little bit better. Subscribe. I love you guys, I really do. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out and hasta luego. If you guys see me this excited, Connor versus Poirier. Connor or Poirier, who's winning?
Connor, bro, what the hell?
Jeff? Connor. Okay. You know how you felt about Argentina winning?
Yeah.
This is how I feel about McGregor winning.
Bro, he's gotta win.
Notorious!
The build-up is longer than the fight.
There you go. You gotta keep shoving out that calf.
I'm saying USA.
No, he got clipped. He got clipped. No, no, no. He got clipped. Clinch, 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 clinch. Clinch, clinch. Did he get him? Did he get him?
Oh.
Did he get him? Took him out, took him out, took him out. Took him out. Fuck, took him out. No, no. Come on, you still got it, Connor. Stain it, Connor, stain it. Stain it. How bad do you want it, Connor? Come on, 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds, 30 more seconds, 30 more seconds. 10 seconds.
Insane.
10 seconds. No, no, 2-1. Wow. He survived, he survived. He survived. Oh my god. He survived that. Wow. Oh my god. His ankle, he broke his ankle.
He's in bad shape.
I think he broke his ankle.
Oh.